Hard to believe that storm was just over 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
2 weeks, 2 days ago. And you're already keeping an eye on a few more storms coming our way.
I'm gonna say that these will be generally, like this next one especially, better received. Like nobody enjoyed that last one for a number of reasons. So this we might get some snow out of it, which is it's about time.
I mean, it is January.
It's about time. I mean, I was talking about we're in a top 3 latest snow in Portland, so that's already in the case, so just a matter where we go from there. Yeah. So I'm going to breeze through the next couple of days because we have a lot to talk about for the end of the weekend. But today was fine. We actually got to 40 flat in Portland. It was brief when that happened, but we got there. 36 in Bangor, 34 in Waterville for high. We had a lot of clouds, though. We'll continue that tonight. It's not especially cold for this time of the year. We drop into the 20s. Some of us along the coast, 29, 30 degrees through the middle of the night. That's not bad for January. Tomorrow we've got a trough coming through here and a little secondary trough here. So we'll see a period of light snow in Washington and Hancock counties tomorrow morning. Could be a coating up to an inch of accumulation, but that's kind of localized. The rest of us will see a snow shower or snow squall, especially the mountains and foothills as this trough comes through. And temperatures drop behind that, and it's quite cold tomorrow night into the teens and a lot of single digits into the mountains and foothills. And it's chilly all day Friday despite a lot of sunshine. It's a bright day, but we really struggle. Only in the 20s, the mountains likely in the teens all day, probably going to blow as much snow as possible on Friday. Good conditions for that. And then we roll into Saturday, and it's partly cloudy, still a bit on the cool side, but quiet until Saturday night, Sunday. We're watching that storm system as we've been doing for several days already. The overall, what we call synoptic scale setup here is the same that we've talked about. We've got a blocking high to the north, so it slows the storm down, provides plenty of cold air. I don't worry about precipitation type here at all. This is a snow event. There's no question about that. The question is, how far north does this precipitation shield move in? And that has to do with the amplitude of this storm. We talked about this yesterday. So where are we today? Kind of in the same spot, I would say, where this looks like a better storm for southern Maine and southern and coastal Maine than it does for the mountains in northern Maine. So here we are Saturday night, snow starting to break out probably after midnight in most spots. It's going pretty good here through the middle of the day on Sunday, especially over southern Maine and coastal Maine, the mid-coast and down east Maine. But precipitation is less as you go northwest. That snow continues through the afternoon and early evening. There's still a lot of uncertainty. Some computer models are much flatter with this, so we're not going to put out a map, I don't think, yet. If we do, it'll be later tonight. But just to give you an idea of general contours here, where we're going to see the heaviest snow in the purple and then lesser amounts as you head farther north. So that's kind of the best we can do. As I said yesterday, off the top of my head, it was a 4 to 8, 5 to 10 situation. I think we're still in that zone, so we'll keep an eye on that. And then our next storm is Messier, Wednesday. That is snow inland over to rain. Along the coast, it's rain and wind, and the wind could be in excess of 40 miles an hour, which is, I'm sure, what you want to hear. So we'll deal with that as we get a little bit closer, hoping to put out a map as soon as possible, but there is quite a bit of discrepancy
even for that one.
Still, even for Wednesday. We're going to get snow. It's just a matter of how far north that snow is going to get.
All right, well,
working on it.
Get busy,
Working
Keith.
on it.
Thank you.